Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, distinguished guests, distinguished members of the committee. Good afternoon. House Bill number 4616 seeks to institutionalize the rehabilitation and socio-economic development of the municipality of Rapurapo in the province of Albay, one of the country's most environmentally and socially impacted island communities due to decades of mining activities. Rapurapo experience is well documented from early extractive activities during colonial and wartime periods to large-scale commercial mining in the late 20th and early 21st centuries. The municipality has endured long-term ecological degradation. The cyanide tailings spills in 2025, in particular, caused severe damage to marine ecosystems and fisheries, which remain the primary source of livelihood for many residents. Although mining operations ceased in 2013 and substantial funds have since been spent under the final mine rehabilitation and decommissioning plan, rehabilitation efforts remain limited by their project-based and time-bound nature. Environmental recovery, livelihood restoration, and local development continue to be uneven and fragile, particularly in small island ecosystems such as Rapurapo. House Bill number 4616 addresses this gap by establishing a comprehensive, permanent, and coordinated rehabilitation and development framework. The bill recognizes that rehabilitation is not merely the physical closure of a mine site, but a long-term process that must restore ecosystems, rebuild livelihoods, and strengthen local governance. The measure proposes the creation of a Rapurapo Rehabilitation and Socio-Economic Development Program that integrates environmental restoration, livelihood diversification, infrastructure development, health, social services, education, and skills training, research and innovation, and transparency in implementation. To ensure coordination and accountability, the bill establishes the Rapurapo Rehabilitation and Socio-Economic Council composed of relevant national government agencies, the provincial government of Albay, and the local government of Rapurapo. This structure ensures the national expertise is aligned with local priorities while allowing the participation of stakeholders such as fisherfolk, farmers, academia, and civil society. The bill does not authorize mining nor expand extractive activities. Instead, it ensures the continued and exclusive use of the final mine rehabilitation and decommissioning fund for its intended purpose, while allowing complementary funding through regular agency budgets and legal permissible grants. Finally, the bill creates a joint congressional oversight committee, underscoring Congress' commitment to monitor implementation, promote transparency, and safeguard public interest. In sum, House Bill number 416 affirms state responsibility to communities that have been borne long-term cost of resources destruction. It presents an opportunity to transform Rapurapo from a symbol of environmental damage into a model post-mining recovery, resilience, and sustainable development. For these reasons, the favorable consideration of House Bill 4116 is respectfully sought. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mga kasurog, naladtuon po. Maging updated sa mga bareta as informasyon sa Bilog na Kabikolan. Mag-comment, i-like at i-share ang sa inyo pong video na nahiling. Paki-follow na din kan sa muyang Facebook page www.facebook.com/ BicolNet TV.